Today I'm gonna build from the Lego Juniors police set the helicopter. It's kind of like the set, but I add some details. Let's start with the minifigure. So, where's his pants? It's on the shirt. Okay, this is some gray pants. And here's his shirt. You can see there's like the badge and the walkie-talkie. At the back, there's a walkie-talkie and a belt around. And it goes on the pants. And then we need the head, or once he can't see, so he can't be a police. He looks like mad or something. Like, something's going on. Okay, let's put him aside so he can build his helicopter first. So, these are the biggest pieces you have. So you put this on like that. Should look like that. You can put it the other way. It looks better like this. Okay. And so we're gonna make the spin thing that goes up. So you need 4 of these 1x6, any color. I have only 3 of these and 1 blue one. So yeah, that's gonna just have to do. But it would look more better when it has all 4 black. So if you have all 4 black, then you can. And to make sure, so when you spin it, to make sure all of these are together, we're going to put this brick on, like this. It looks kind of weird. It's like they repaired it, and it goes on top like that. It looks cool. Okay, now we're going to add some things in the inside. So take a 1x2 brick, and you're going to take one of these pieces that have 2 of the holes so you can connect stuff, and just stick it on like that. And then take this stud and stick it on here, and then take this slope piece that's like clear, transparent, and stick it right beside the stud. So that's going to be like the buttons. And stick it right there. And then you're going to take this like connectors piece, and you're going to also take this glass and stick the connector piece on. And then put it underneath there. So I'm going to take this out. Put it right there. And to make sure, so when you open it, to make it secure, we're going to have this like black hump piece with the no 2x2 and stick it on there. So now it's secured. And we can put this back on. And to make some more decoration on the side, we're going to add a police sign on the side over here. And we're also going to add this slope white brick on here. And on the other side, since it's like symmetrical, we're going to add, I don't have another of those police pieces, so I'm going to add a 1x4 brick. It's like a square, flat, and one with the stud on it. And then we're going to add this blue clear piece and put it on there. And it's basically done. Here's how it looks all the way around. This is the one side. And here's the other. Here's the back. And then here's the side. And here's the front. So now, get your minifigure. And if you have like something like this, or even like a walkie-talkie would work too, you could put it in his hand. It can be like, hello? Like, calling for, he's gonna say stop when like he sees the bad guys. He can't really sit in with the walkie-talkie, so I'm gonna take the walkie-talkie off. There we go. We need to put his hand. There's nothing much in the inside, but at the back, you can see there's a little space, so you can put the bad guy, and you can even make it more, put more stuff, like a little jail cell, and then he goes in there. That would be cool too. I just made it easy. Always you can add anything. And or if he cannot sit and hold the talking thing, just put it on the side and then close. And it flies. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like. Bye!